Hey everyone, this is Neil Sapkota and this is my CS50W mail. So let's get started. I will cover up 5 specifications one by one. So the first specification is send mail. Load the user's send mailbox. So I'm going to demonstrate my send mail function. Once the email has been sent, load the user's send mailbox. So first of all, I'm going to send the email to email.com. Once I send the email to another account, I must see that I have sent the email in my sent button. So you can see it shows that I have sent an email right now. So if I log out from this account and log in from the recipient's account, I must get a new notification. So I have logged in from the recipient's account. So as you can see, there's a new notification sent from neilsapkota@gmail.com, which was the sender's account. So when you view this, you can see the actual subject and the actual body. So now let's move on to the second specification, mailbox. And the mails that I have sent and the mails that I have received. This is my inbox. So michael@gmail.com sent me an email and it is visible in my inbox. And I have sent an email to michael@gmail.com, so it is also seen in my inbox. View email. This is my view email function. Once I click on any of these emails from the emails that I have sent, so next click on this email. So you can see when it was posted, January 24, 2024, 11:59 AM, and it was sent by michael@gmail.com. So you can see I can archive this email and also unarchive. Archive and unarchive, as you can see, this is my archive function. So when I click on archive, there is nothing in my inbox page. But if I go to the archive page, so you can see the emails that I have archived. And if I click on unarchive, it suddenly appears on my inbox page. Reply. So michael@gmail.com sent me an email. If I want to reply to this email, I should view the email, and you can see there is a reply button. If I click on the reply button, it directs me to a whole new page. So if I want to reply with some words, I can type something. I click on submit. The email has been replied. So after the reply has been sent, I will try to log out and see the notification coming into michael@gmail.com that Neil Sapkota has replied to my email. So when I log into michael@gmail.com, I can see that Neil has replied to my email. So these are all my specifications. So I have covered up every single thing. This is my mail. Thank you.